In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync charts on Tradingview. By syncing charts, you can analyze multiple time frames or different assets side by side without repeating the same actions over and over. Syncing lets you align key elements like the symbol you are viewing, the interval or time frame, the crosshair position, and the visible time range, so everything moves together while you study the market. First, set up a multi-chart layout. Click the Select Layout icon in the top menu and choose a layout with 2 or more panes. Keep in mind that multi-chart layouts require an upgraded plan. If you are on the free plan, you'll see only a single chart option. You can still follow along to understand the workflow, and the process will be the same once you have access to multi-chart views. With your layout open, look for the layout settings. This is typically found via a gear icon or a small drop-down near the layout controls. Open that menu and find the Sync in Layout section. This is where you choose exactly what you want to link across all charts in the layout. Turn on Symbol if you want all charts to display the same ticker at once. Change the ticker on one chart, and the others instantly switch to match. This is great for comparing the same asset across multiple time frames. Enable Interval to synchronize time frames. For example, if you set one chart to 5 minutes, they all switch to 5 minutes. This keeps your view consistent when you are scanning through different time compressions. Toggle crosshair to align your mouse pointer across every chart. As you hover on one, a matching crosshair appears at the same time and price level on the others. It's incredibly helpful for quickly checking how the same moment in time looked on various time frames. Switch on time to sync the visible time axis. When you zoom or scroll on one chart, the rest follow. This ensures you are always looking at the same period across all panels, which saves a lot of manual zooming. A quick tip: if you want different assets in each panel but still prefer shared navigation, leave symbol off and keep interval, crosshair, and time on. That way, you can compare multiple tickers while keeping the time and cursor movement aligned. Also note, your drawings and annotations remain tied to each chart by default, so they won't automatically copy across panels with these sync settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.